Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun winter holiday cake topper idea for you today. This is a totally edible snow globe cake topper. Start by melting down some clear glitter Isomalt tiles. And of course just use clear Isomalt and add some glitter as well. I'm using the largest hemisphere mold from the mold set in my Amazon storefront. You could pour both, or I did just one so I could roll it around and get it coated really well. I also like to give a reminder to please make sure you are wearing gloves and any protective equipment when using Isomalt, as it gets very, very hot. Once my two hemispheres were cooled and hardened, I did add a second coat to give it some strength. Process as the first coat, I just took the mold and rolled it around until it was coated. After these were fully cooled and hardened, I popped them out very carefully. They were nice and strong because there were 2 coats of Isomalt. I gave them a little flame with my kitchen torch to pop any air bubbles. This project, I was actually okay with leaving a few air bubbles to make it look like snow was rolling around in a snow globe. A small fondant tree to be the object inside the snow globe, and just added some edible sparkle to it, as well as some sprinkle ornaments from Sprinkle Mix by Sweets and Treats Boutique. Sprinkles stick easily to fondant with just a little brush of water. Then I let my tree dry and harden overnight. Next we'll make the base for the snow globe. I made a gold part and a black part. Rolled out my fondant quite thick, as you can see, to give it some structure and stability. The way you can find my fondant recipe on my website and on my channel here as well. On fondant circle, I dusted with some edible gold luster dust. Made a little round well in it here with this scoop and attached them together with some water. To assemble the snow globe, I pressed a little piece of fresh fondant into the bottom to give the tree a base to stick into and also to look like some snow on the ground. Reinforcing my tree with some water, I added this sprinkle mix, which is a cute mix of snowflakes, other wintry colored shapes, right into my Isomalt snow globe to give some snow to shake around. Carefully set the other hemisphere on top and gave it a little flame to connect them. I don't want to heat up the sides too much as they can start melting away. I attached it to my base. I had to shake it a little bit to see if it worked, and it did! A little water to the gold part, and then pressed my snow globe down into it. This entire piece sit overnight. Love how it turned out. I love how the little air bubbles and the glitter and the sprinkles all look like flying snow. And I just attached it to the top of my cake with some fresh buttercream. This cake wasn't going to be leaving my house or traveling far. I didn't use any other means of supporting it. Thanks so much for watching. This was a really fun project. I'd love to make another one sometime with a snowman or something inside. Let me know what you think.